Hello everybody. So I am getting ready to surprise Elion. He has been like dying for a Rubik's Cube, right? So we went to the store and they only had a mini Rubik's Cube. So this kit is like a Rubik's Cube. So I'm going to show you guys how he does his Rubik's Cubes. First we're going to do the mini one and then we're going to do the big one. I'm so excited, but I'm going to record him getting it. So here we go guys. All right. Where you going? Hurry up. Where's your Rubik's Cube?
Huh?
Where's your Rubik's Cube?
My Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, the mini one.
Alright. Come on.
What goes out?
Alright. What's that?
Look. What is it?
Is it what I think it is?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh.
Goodness grief.
Let me report it open. Oh! Oh! It looks good! It looks good! This is exactly how I package it! I know! Oh my gosh, the packaging is just so cool!
What's cool about the packaging?
It's just the unique design of it. And then, like, the Rubik's Cube inside. It just, the anticipation. It's just.
That's awesome.
Just look at what they give you as well. Look at, they give you the stand with it. I mean, it's so cool. This is so cool.
All right, well, have fun. We'll be back because you know we're gonna record you. I'm gonna record you. I want you to solve the mini one and then the big one.
All right.
All right.